Hello guys, I am Keviratyaru. Welcome to Dream Developers. In the previous video, we have taken introduction about Kotlin language. Now, in this video, we will check out how does the Hello World program work in Kotlin. So, let's begin. Let's compare the Hello World code of Java to understand this. Here, I have a demo class. Inside the demo class, I have a main method public static void main. Inside this, I have a print statement of hello world. In order to print hello world in Kotlin language, we need hello world string inside the double quote and put it in the bracket with the print method. Now, in case of Kotlin, we just use the main method such as fun space main space args array of string bracket open and close. In the output, we get the hello world. Now, in this, we don't define the class at the top like we have defined in the Java. Let's understand how Kotlin works. In order to execute any Java code, JVM simply demands a class file. First, Java code is compiled and simply converted to the class file. This class file is executed by the JVM at the runtime. In case of Kotlin, it is also require a JVM in runtime similar to Java to execute its code, because it is a more powerful version of Java. And it also needs JVM to execute the code. Now, as we all know, the main function is not enclosed with the class. Why? Does Kotlin create a class internally? Yes. The Kotlin compiler internally creates a class file which is loaded into the main memory for execution in runtime. Similar to the Java compiler, Kotlin compiler also converts the file into the bytecode then run with JVM. Kotlin file saved with the kt extension. Now compile the file and create our first program of hello world. In this tutorial, we will going to use IntelliJ IDE to run our Kotlin programs. Now open an IntelliJ IDE. Now select create new project. Using IntelliJ IDE, we can build Java, JavaFX and Android projects. Now select the Kotlin option. Here we can see the 3 options. In this, we have to select the first option and simply click on the next button. Now here we have to mention our project name. I am giving it to Kotlin Tutorials. Now here we have to select our project location. I am set it as a default. Here in a project SDK, we have to set our SDK path. If you don't see the Java SDK here, then simply check out the installation video. Link is given in the description. Now click on the finish button. Here our project is ready. Here you can see the src folder. Simply select the folder and right click on it. Select the new and click on a Kotlin file option. In this dialog box, we have to mention our class name. I am giving it the hello world. Now make sure you have selected a file in this option. Simply click OK button. Now here we have to write our hello world code. Simply copy paste the code . Here semicolon is is optional. Now click here to run the code. IntelliJ IDE simply compile the code and give the output below the code. Here you can see the hello world is printed. Now in this output folder, you can see the class file which is created internally by the Kotlin compiler.